Hi friends, Andrea here with my first process video for Hip Kit Club. Today I'll be walking you through my mood board inspired project using the February 2020 Hip Kits. And I'll be absorbing all those colors, shapes, textures to create a mini album. So for the base of this project, I'll be using the journaling bits that come in the embellishment kit. So I'm going through the envelopes and tags and pages and just picking what I think will work for this project. I'm selecting as well a few of the cards, the journaling cards from the Pocket Life kit. The blue one I cut down, but it was one of the 3x6 cards. And then I printed all tiny pictures, super colorful pictures from a trip that I took with my mom and my grandma to Buenos Aires, Argentina, almost 10 years ago. So I'm just sorting the pictures with the pages, what goes well by color or by day. It all depends. What do I want to add on each page? Here and that, what's gonna go inside those envelopes, and then I'm just stacking them and see, okay, this looks well, and so that way I can start working on the pages. The little moments, tiny piece of paper is part of the cut apart page from the main kit from Pink Fresh Studio. So I get all of them, I made my marks, and I decided that I was gonna open the holes on the left side of the mini album. And what happened here, what's gonna happen is, especially with the envelopes, from now on we gotta be really careful with what's gonna go in them, since we're gonna lose at least between 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch of space to play with. Ready now to start decorating the pages. And for the first one, which is the green envelope, I'm going to make an accordion shaped mini album. So I'm taking one of the pages, the Pink Fresh Studio pages from the main kit, and I'm cutting at 3.5 inches tall by 8 inches wide, and I'm scoring at every 2 inches to create 4 sections that I'm gonna fold in an accordion with the accordion shape. And there we go. I'm getting now my sewing machine and making making sure that each one of the sections have their own frame. I'm gonna end up having pictures from 2 different places, 2 different dates, but I do believe that they go well together. And I chose the vertical pictures first, and I'm just trying to find, those are the cardstock stickers that come in the Pocket Life kit. And I'm also pulling up the mixed stickers and the puffy stickers that come in the embellishment kit. I like that green. I'm gonna end up getting, yes, that green leaf from the ephemera pack in the main kit, and that goes well in the back. I can easily fold my frame, and then I'm adding a little bit of thread because why not? Let's add some texture there. And I'm trying to add one of the cardstock stickers, didn't work. And then I looked at the puffy stickers, and there was one of the leaves that perfectly matches what we have on the top right corner. And here I come trying to add 3 pictures, again with another accordion, trying to add as many pictures as I can. In the end, it didn't work. Let me just spoil it for you. But I just keep trying, adding elements, few more flowers, a little bit more of green and yellow to match what I have. those flowers are from the ephemera pack from the main kit, I believe. And keep trying. I will come later and start adding the title, and it's just the name of our adorable Mafalda. Yeah, she's a very well-known Argentinian character that we all grew up, my mom and I grew up reading her stories and all the funny jokes that were created as part of who she is. And then on that section, I'll be adding some journaling, a little bit of glue, and you go one by one. It requires patience. It takes a little bit of time depending on how much journaling you're trying to add, but it's worth it. And on the left side, I take one of the cardstock stickers, put it in the middle. It's yellow, it goes well with the green, it goes well with the rest of the elements that I have in that accordion mini album. And that grid paper is one of the stickers packaging paper. Okay, again, I will machine stitched just to keep adding texture. And of course, that will be a spot for some journaling, as well as it will cover the ribbon that we'll use to close the mini album. Now on the back side, those are two really small magnets that will allow me to be able to open the accordion easily. And since I'm not decorating the backside, it doesn't really matter if I don't really have to work hard on covering. Now on the outside of the envelope, I will just add the puffy sticker that comes with the puffy frames. And that will be it. On the back side, because I cannot leave it plain, I'll try to add that ephemera piece, but I'll end up with one of the cardstock stickers. Okay, and here we go with our blue 3x6 Project Life card. I cut that, I believe it may be like 2.5 by 4 approximately. On the front, I'm gonna keep it very simple. Couple of stickers here and there. And I will be playing with the back, and here's when I'm being brave enough to try a little bit of mixed media. So I will be using some modeling paste with one of the Lindy's powders that I think they came with the April 2019 kit. So mix those, and I'm using one of the new February 2020 stencils that came in the color kit. And I love the texture, I love the color that I got by combining the powders with the modeling paste. While I wait for that to dry, I took the tag and added some ribbon, punched my photo in a circle shape. I think it goes well with the other two stickers that ended up adding. And a flower. On the back side, I took the rest of what was a puffy frame that I believe I used on my previous project. And I'm adding just one more vertical picture that I had from the cathedral that couldn't include in my accordion mini album. So we are ready with that one. And the modeling paste was still not dry, so I'm starting working on the pink envelope that will have 3 cards inside. So the yellow one and the blue one that you'll see after this are from the Pocket Life kit and are the 3x4 cards that I just cut, that I just trimmed to make a little bit smaller and to be able to fit them comfortably in the envelope. So more flowers, more colors, a little bit of texture here and there. For this one I added a frame. You'll see. So I have 2 pictures and I come with the frames. Perfect. And there you go. Finally, I have one of the Bloom Street tag that came with the die cuts in the Pocket Life kit. Just added 1 picture, 1 photo, machine stitched just to make sure that it stays and that I can flip through and read the text that I'm gonna end up adding underneath. And we are done with that. And on the back, also from the die cuts pack, I have that flower and that journaling box. So I'm gonna cut the flower. Done perfectly. And I will be at the end, I'll be adding some journaling on that area. So puffy sticker to make it look perfect, and we're done. So at this point, we're going back to the blue page that it's now dry. I decided to go and use only 2 pictures, few stickers, more flowers, and that's another page that is done. So this tag, the tag itself is from the Pocket Life kit and from the embellishment kit, the journaling bit. But the back side, that purple side that you see there, is from the Pocket kit, one of the Pocket Life cards. I'm just trying to match our picture on the couch with the couch ephemera shape, and it looks perfect. It was a very meaningful family picture after so many years. So for this one, I needed a picture of me wearing pink, and fussy cut this lovely flower that I'm gonna end up embellishing with and adding more details with the Nuvo crystal drops. You'll see. It is amazing. And for this last page, we're coming back with another accordion shape, kind of an album as well, but it's just a way that I found to keep adding pictures, because this is one of the main pages of the mini album. All the facades and all the buildings, colorful buildings that inspired me from the mood board. I also found the perfect Bloom Street paper to start and to showcase all these pictures. So one of the puffy frames to start here. Then I'm trying to keep the second page. Oh, and you don't see it. I'm trying to keep that one simple. The journaling card will have some journaling on the back, and it's just letting me know where these pictures were taken. And here we go. A quick flip through, just checking that all the pictures that I wanted to include are there, that everything is looking okay before I go ahead and write the journaling. I decided to make a box using the Bloom Street paper from the main kit, as well as one leftover page that I have from the main kit from last month, from January. But the main reason why I decided to go ahead with the box was because my pages on the mini album are not the same size, and I do not have a strong base. I don't have a strong cover or anything that will allow me to really keep it safe or to make it stand. So I said, okay, I will cut a box and make sure that it's kept super nicely. So you won't be able to see the whole process of how I make the box and how I put it together, because my phone decided to act crazy and I couldn't get that. And there you go. Here we're gonna see a flip through. At this point, I have already added the journaling that I wanted. So second page, here we go. I love that blue mixed media page. Another envelope that has the pocket life cards with more pictures, more journaling stories. Lovely. The Nuvo drops. Oh my gosh, the Nuvo drops are there. I'll show you the close-up pictures and you'll be able to see how amazing it is, the effect that it creates, and it looks like the enamel dots. Okay, so I'm gonna leave you with some of the close-up pictures. I hope that you enjoy the process. Please let me know if there is anything I can help you with. If there is anything that I miss, I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. And of course, do not forget to head over to the HipKit Club website. You will find all the links below to check the February kits, which were the ones that I used for this specific project. But the March kits that were released just a couple of weeks ago are also there. All the information, everything that's included, pops of color, embellishments, beautiful collections. Make sure you look at those. The HipKit Club Facebook page and Facebook group, it is a wonderful space to check every day. There are lots and lots of projects, as well as the sneak peeks of what's coming the next couple of days, the next day on the blog and our YouTube channel. All the links are over there. And again, I hope that you enjoyed it. I had a great time working on the project, and I will see you next time. Have a great Sunday. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye-bye.